Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're exploring the best CO2 laser tubes for precision cutting and engraving. Whether you're working on wood, acrylic, or other materials, these laser tubes offer reliability, power, and long-lasting performance for your projects. We'll review the top models, their features, and what makes each one ideal for high-quality laser work. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready to upgrade your laser setup, let's get started. Number 5. Dragon Diamond 40-watt CO2 laser tube. If you're searching for a powerful, reliable laser tube to elevate your engraving or cutting machine, the Dragon Diamond 40-watt CO2 laser tube is an exceptional choice. Boasting a robust 40-watt laser power, this tube is designed to deliver precise and consistent results, making it ideal for a range of professional and hobbyist applications. Its compact size, with a 50mm diameter and 700mm length, is a great fit for smaller laser machines without sacrificing performance. Number 4. Cloudray CO2 Metal Glass Laser Tube. The Cloudray 35 to 45 watt CO2 metal glass laser tube is a powerful, high-quality choice for anyone serious about precision laser engraving and cutting. This laser tube is meticulously crafted, blending innovation with reliability for optimal performance in CO2 laser machines. Its 40 watts power and 720mm length make it a versatile and robust choice for both personal and professional applications, fitting seamlessly into standard CO2 engraving and cutting machines. Cloudray has made quality a priority with this laser tube, using only the best raw materials sourced from trusted domestic and international suppliers. Each laser tube is manufactured using advanced production processes and rigorous quality testing to ensure durability and efficiency. The tube features a USA-manufactured lens, known for its high performance and optoelectronic quality. Number 3. Hunst SP40-watt CO2 laser tube. For those looking to enhance the capabilities of their engraving and cutting machines, the Hunst SP40-watt CO2 laser tube is a fantastic option. With a robust design and impressive power output, this 700mm long, 55mm diameter laser tube is well suited for various applications, from laser marking and engraving to signage and marble marking. Hunst has crafted a laser tube that delivers precision and stability, making it ideal for both professional and hobbyist users. What sets the Hunst SP apart is its innovative nano-gold coating process, which amplifies power output and significantly extends the tube's life beyond that of ordinary coatings. This enhancement not only strengthens its performance but ensures consistent results over time. With high-voltage discharge technology stimulating a high-concentration gas mix, this laser tube achieves excellent power and a long lifespan without compromising on quality. Number 2. Fonland Reci CO2 Laser Tube. For those in search of a high-power laser tube for professional engraving and cutting, the Fonland Reci W2T2 CO2 laser tube delivers in both strength and durability. Available in both W2 and T2 models, this tube offers a power range of 90 watt 100 watts, making it a standout option for users who need a robust solution for their CO2 laser engraving and cutting machines. With a diameter of either 80mm W2 or 65mm T2, and lengths of 1200mm and 1250mm respectively, it's designed to meet high standards across a variety of demanding applications. Fonland has incorporated advanced catalysis technology in the Reci W2T2 laser tube, enabling a lifespan of up to 10,000 hours, a feature highly beneficial for users seeking a long-term reliable tool for large-scale projects. The tube is securely packed in a wooden case, protecting it from damage during shipment and ensuring it arrives in pristine condition. However, users are advised to inspect the tube upon arrival, as logistics-related damage claims have a limited window, and reporting promptly can secure compensation if needed. Designed with CE certification, this laser tube upholds quality and safety standards, providing confidence for users across industries. Number 1. Cloudray CR90 CO2 Laser Tube. The Cloudray CR90 CO2 laser tube is a premium option for those seeking powerful, reliable performance in laser engraving and cutting. This 90-watt tube, with a length of 1250mm and diameter of 55mm, is designed to handle a variety of demanding applications, from woodworking to metal engraving. Built for CO2 laser machines, the CR90 brings precision and durability to every project. making it an excellent choice for both professionals and hobbyists. One of the standout features of the CR90 is its robust metal head. This upgraded metal head not only enhances the tube's overall durability, but also provides excellent stability in challenging environments, including those using galvanized piping. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.